In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable the interest on cash on Trading 212. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So basically by using this feature, you will be generating a percentage of the money you have on your wallet. So in my case, I have more than 4 euros. But of course, this is a percentage. You can see how much you will get right here depending on your currency. So in my case, I use euros, and I will get a little bit more than 2% APY. So for example, if you use dollars, you will get a little bit more. If you use pounds, you will get even more. And yeah, you can check your currency and the APY you will get right here. So of course, the more money you have, the more money you will get. And to enable this option, all you need to do is go to this icon right here. Then you will find interest on cash. So click here. And as you can see, I have made just 1 euro from this because I normally don't have cash on my wallet. So if you want to enable this option and start getting payments every day, so for example, if we go to payments, we can see I did this more than 1 year ago, and I was getting just 1 cent per day, sometimes 2. And that's basically because I don't have almost anything on my cash on Trading 212. So to enable this option, all you need to do is click here. Then you will have some simple instructions saying how it works. So you will get paid daily interest on your cash. You can instantly use that cash to withdraw or invest, and you can disable at any time. So you can read more about it right here. You can search the frequently asked question as well. So if you agree to everything, just click here, click enable. And now the interest on cash is enabled, and I will be getting payments every day. So that's it. I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.